Imagine having a private jet while everyone else is stuck in economy. That is the difference between using a basic chatbot and mastering Claude Cowork. Most people use AI to brainstorm ideas, get a response, and then have to do all the work themselves. But for a small business owner, your time is your most expensive asset. You don't need more ideas, you need execution. Claude Cowork isn't just a chat window. It's a mini employee that lives on your desktop and actually gets work done while you sleep. So what is it exactly? Claude Cowork is a desktop application for Mac and Windows that brings agentic AI capabilities directly into your workspace. Unlike the web version of Claude, Cowork has two major advantages. It can access your local files, and it can connect to the apps you already use every day, including Gmail, Notion, Slack, and more. Think of it this way. Chat is for brainstorming, Cowork is for doing. Chat tells you what to do. Cowork opens your files, organizes folders, drafts emails, and can even help publish content. It's the difference between a consultant giving advice and an employee who actually has the keys to the office. Let's break down 4 ways this can transform a small business. First, local file mastery. With a normal AI chat, you're usually limited by file upload restrictions. Cowork works directly with files on your computer. Imagine having a folder full of receipts. You simply tell Cowork to create an expense report with categories and dates. It reads the files, extracts the information, and generates a finished spreadsheet ready to use. No manual data entry required. Second, connectors. Through the Customize tab, you can connect Claude to the tools that run your business. For example, connect Gmail and Calendar. You can ask it to surface urgent unread emails, identify scheduling conflicts, or draft responses in your preferred writing style. You can even schedule recurring tasks. Imagine starting every morning with a report waiting for you that summarizes emails, identifies priorities, and lists important meetings for the day. Third, skills. A skill is essentially a reusable playbook or standard operating procedure. Let's say you create a content creation skill. You teach Claude your brand voice, target audience, and content style one time. After that, you can drop a new product image into a folder and simply say, create a post. Claude analyzes the image, writes a caption that matches your brand, and can even work with automation tools to publish content across multiple platforms. Fourth, advanced strategy and data. Many small businesses struggle to access and organize data effectively. Cowork helps bridge that gap. Whether you're tracking market information, researching trends, analyzing reports, or monitoring business metrics, Cowork can gather information, organize it, and present actionable insights so you can spend less time digging through data and more time making decisions. The biggest mindset shift is moving from task-based instructions to outcome-based instructions. Instead of telling the AI every step, you define the final result. Rather than saying, summarize this document, you might say, create a weekly leadership update that highlights the top 3 metrics and stays under 300 words. You define the destination, and Claude figures out much of the route. Why does this matter? Because scaling a business isn't just about working harder, it's about removing bottlenecks. When repetitive tasks are automated, you gain back hours every week that would otherwise be spent managing files, answering emails, gathering information, and handling administrative work. That means more time for strategy, sales, customer relationships, and growth. For solo founders and small teams, tools like Claude Cowork can dramatically increase output without increasing headcount. The era of simply chatting with AI is ending. We're entering the era of AI agents that actually get work done. If you're still copying and pasting between browser tabs, you're probably working harder than you need to. Explore the desktop app, connect your favorite tools, and create your first skill. Stop acting like the employee in your business and start acting like the architect. Subscribe for more deep dives into AI automation, business workflows, and practical ways to save time using AI.